Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in this tutorial I will show you how to use DeepSeek.com. It is an alternative for ChatGPT if you don't have enough money to buy ChatGPT, so you can use DeepSeek. Okay, uh, open your browser and type DeepSeek. Okay, enter. And this is the official website, deepseek.com. So click on DeepSeek. As you can see, there are different versions. The first version is version 3 and so on. Okay, and you can ask DeepSeek anything. It is very responsive. So yeah, how to log in it, just click on start now, as you can see, and you can log in with your Gmail account. And I'm going to log in with my Gmail account and click next. Okay, and now I logged in into DeepSeek, and here you can ask anything. For example, hi, it's thinking, hello, how can I assist you? Write me an write a description for having a fan in social media. For example, that's just a question. Okay, as you can see, very easy. Or you can ask about programming. Write me a function to print the hello world in Python. Okay, got it? It's thinking, as you can see, and this is the output. This is the function in Python, how you can print your world. That's it, guys. Yeah, it's free to use, and yeah, you can use it for free every time. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.